Jumping fish. Why do Asian carps jump? These jumping minnows are spooked easily. Rocks thrown in the water, passing trains, geese taking off, and boat motors are some of the things that make Asian carps jump. Everyone is born with two primal fears, even babies. The fear of falling and the fear of loud sounds. We can even notice this fear in most animals like our pets. Asian carps are not the only fish that jumps, although their large numbers make it good eye candy. Mullet, salmon, bass, whales, orcas, sharks, dolphins jump too. Many reasons are given for this behavior. Avoiding predators, removing parasites, trying to shake a hook free, attacking prey. The easy answer is because they can. It's a useful tool and it's fun. USGS, United States Geological Survey, and many other agencies are working to fight the invasive species of the Asian carp. They have lots of cool tools like sonar, water guns, bait, and shocking them for removal. They are my heroes. At least they're trying to do something. That reminds me of a old Cajun joke. Boudreaux would come in every day with lots of fish. The game warden told Boudreaux, "I got a day off tomorrow and would like to go with you to see how you catch all these fish." They met up the next day at the dock. The game warden says, "Where's your fishing pole, Boudreaux? Because all he's got is a tackle box and a scoop net." Boudreaux said, "This is all I need." So they get into the boat and go way out to the good fishing spot. Boudreaux reaches into the tackle box, grabs a stick of dynamite, lights it up, and throws it out. Then there's a loud boom. Fish come floating up, and Boudreaux starts scooping. The game warden says, "You know I can arrest you for that." Boudreaux grabs another stick of dynamite, lights it up, and hands it to him and said, "What you going to do? Fish or talk?"